Guys, it's Tiffany from Play Live Repeat, and I am super excited to show you all of the toys that I saw at the Alpha Group booth at New York Toy Fair 2020. We have brand new Subway Surfers toys coming out featuring all of your favorite characters from the widely popular game. Also, SpongeBob Sponge on the Run is coming out this summer. It is a prequel story telling the story of Patrick and SpongeBob. So guys, you're gonna really want to stick around and watch. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and please comment and bring me up in that search. Thank you so much for watching, and let's get started.
Hey guys, we have new toys by Alpha Group featuring the new SpongeBob movie, Sponge on the Run toys. These are really awesome. We have these smelly pants figures where you smell this and it could be a good scent or a bad scent. We also have some mini plush. These are for the SpongeBob movie, Sponge on the Run. They're so super cute by Alpha Group. Oh my gosh, look at little baby Squidward. He's so cute. And look at little baby SpongeBob. SpongeBob Squarepants. We have mini plush, Bikini Bottom Mysteries, the SpongeBob Slimies. Looks like series 2. And we have DJ Squarepants. Super cool. DJ Squarepants is a toy that you can mix music and actually record yourself and hear your voice play back.
Marcello.
And you can mix it up to make it sound differently. It's a really cool set. Fans of Subway Surfers who play the game on their phones or iPads are going to be super happy to see this really awesome line by Alpha Group. We have mini figures. We also have some larger figures that are packaged in this really awesome spray paint can. And we also have these Subway cars that are customizable for the fan. They can make them any way that they want and they can collect them and display them. They are really awesome. They're also going to be coming out this summer. And this will be the first line for Subway Surfers. Well, that's it for the tour at Alpha Group. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, don't forget to like this video, comment, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching and have a great day.